been a while since I've posted anything. Today we're doing a bit of spearfishing video. Today's aim is to catch a squid or hoping for a kingfish, but conditions look pretty good today. The last couple of days it has been raining, so I don't know what the visibility is like down there, but hoping it is pretty clear or enough to get dinner tonight. 11 AM right now, we're here for pretty much the whole day. Hoping we get some lunch sorted as well. My sister, Truk, they're setting up for squid. Let's jump in the water and see what we find down there.
I used to spend my evenings by myself, you know. Went through every number on my telephone. I thought that all I needed was someone to hold, but I was wrong. I never thought that maybe I needed a friend. You have always been there together till the end. I thought that all I needed was someone to hold, but I was wrong. Finding love ended in disaster. No such thing as happily ever after. Love ended in disaster, disaster. Now I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. Such thing as happily ever after. Love ended in disaster, disaster. But now I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. Free. I'm gonna be
So I just finished diving and shot a red and a blue moe. Pretty easy targets to shoot. But yeah, we've got lunch or dinner sorted, so we'll probably cook that up later on.
Might try
Two good sized fish. Yeah, gonna do a bit of land-based fishing now, see what we can get. No luck so far land-based. Using a bit of seaweed and floating some pillies, but yeah, no success yet. No luck with fishing, land-based. Maybe we're just terrible, but yeah.
You know what? We're leaving anyway.
You're so lucky. Oh my god, you just hopped off the rock.
Alright, so we're gonna do a bit of cooking with two fish I shot earlier. This is the red moe. We set up a little gas stove. Didn't want to use these public ones because they're a bit dirty. This fish does not fit on that pan, so we're gonna have to do something about that. Might fill it then. That's the only way to get them in. Just gonna use this table as my filleting bench. Might crumb them, bit of salt and pepper, cook them in butter. Fillets in, an egg. Oh, no. Oh my god. Alright.
Restart.
Restart.
Chuck some garlic.
Fish and egg and the batter. Yeah, my man cooked them with a plastic fork.
Oh, hey man.
Health first.
Food come first, man.
That's the sizzle we need.
Food. Maybe it needs to be harder.
Yeah.
Oh, I think
Damn, alright. Cook likes it to drink his butter.
No, according a lot of studies saying if you eat a lot of butter, it's good for your heart.
She's a study by.
Yeah, Australian scientists, I don't know, American Heart Associations.
American Oh my god.
High cholesterol.
We're deep frying.
Deep frying, mate.
A little bit of plastic in there, a bit of carbon, polyethylene.
This is Daniel Mann style. Cook the wings.
Nothing.
I know. Be quiet.
Is the heat up high?
Yeah. Follow me. Follow my phone. Yeah.
Follow my phone.
Shut your mouth.
Some real crap.
What was that?
I dropped my Gopro in here.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, that looks so crispy. Whoa. So I might just call that an end of an episode. Thank you for watching, guys. We didn't catch many fish today. Only shot 2 fish. Provided pretty good dinner. Tried squidding after, didn't catch anything. So anything land-based today, we didn't catch anything. The weather's terrible. It's like raining and then it stopped. Thought I'd post some quick video on the channel for you guys to watch. Anyways, catch you guys in the next one.
You know my body